All right, gentlemen, so here's the deal, plain and simple, all right? Earlier this year, we launched Mitt. Now, the problem is that we tried to get like super fancy and cute, right? And make a different kind of scent and not actually make it like super pepperminty. Well, we blew it. We totally screwed the body wash pooch. Liked it, but you didn't love it. And love it is what we're going for. And so we went back to the drawing board and packed this bad boy full of that incredible peppermint that you're looking for. The new Mint Body Wash, pure peppermint perfection. If you like cooling sensations, gentlemen, we crushed it. When you're using it, right, you're gonna be like, oh, damn, it's gonna cool everything, including the boys. Gentlemen, you're gonna be like, damn, oh my God, that's amazing. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, you are absolutely gonna love this. It also foams perfectly. Now, here's the thing. As with all of our other body washes, we made sure the ingredients were still super healthy. And so that means no alcohol, paraben-free. This body wash is gonna leave your skin nice and soft, hydrated. If you love the scent of pure peppermint, but you like a little tingle, a little cooling sensation, gentlemen, you are going to love the new upgraded Mint Body Wash by Pete and Pedro. We have absolutely crushed this one out of the park.